Dear friends, today about homeopathy, we will discuss sore mouth. Sore mouth means inflammation of the total mouth, including tongue. Tongue becomes red. This tongue becomes red, very inflamed, and we cannot eat any sour things, sour or hot things. Hot means you cannot eat green mirch or red mirch. These items nobody can eat it at that time when the sore mouth is there. Many a times people will go to a medical shop and they purchase B complex tablets and they swallow B complex sample. But it is not a regular process. You cannot take always vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin B, B6 or B3 or B9. These vitamins naturally we have to consume from our food. So this sore mouth is so trouble. Lot of saliva will come. Saliva will come and mouth is very irritating. They cannot even talk properly. Unhappiness will be there. First point, why this complaint comes? This complaint comes because lack of sleepness. Sleepness is the main cause. And more worry. Worry is there. The first appearance of the worry and stress is on the tongue. We don't understand. We think that it is vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin B12 deficiency, B6 deficiency. That may also be there. But we are eating sufficient green vegetables and other pulses, curd, milk, etc. So there will not be any deficiency of this particular B complex. Unnecessarily don't take any artificial vitamin B. Instead of that, there is a natural vitamin B source, that is dry coconut. Take 2 or 3 pieces of dry coconut, copra they call it in English or Hindi. Chew it, grind it and keep it on the mouth for a while, then swallow. The oil which you are preparing by chewing the dry coconut will absorb many useful elements, particularly all vitamins, antioxidants that are present in coconut, particularly dry coconut. It is very, very useful to cure your sore mouth. Number 2 is poppy seeds. Poppy seeds you may be knowing. You take 1 spoon of poppy seeds, fry it with ghee, then chew it or eat the powder in with rice. With a small quantity of rice, you can eat this poppy seeds. Now we will come to homeopathy. The first and foremost remedy is Mercusal 30. Mercusal, MERCU, Mercusal, SOL, Mercusal 30. Take 3 doses, 3 days. Definitely this will help you in controlling your sore mouth or apathy. Sore mouth is related to tongue actually. Tongue cannot eat, cannot touch any hot things, sour things or any such other items. So So it can be cured with Merxal. If the swelling is due to eating chocolates, ice cream, more sweets, then you should take Carbovez 30. Carbovez 30 potency, daily 3 doses, 3 days. And if the tongue is very red, totally red color and light papillae, because a small knots will come. They look like a rough skin on the tongue. If such is the situation, then Hepar Sulf 30 will definitely help you. In the same condition, if Hepar Sulf is not working, nitric acid 30 will definitely work. Nitric acid 30, it definitely works. If all these things, all these 4 medicines are not worked to you, then give 1 dose of sulfur once in 5 days for 3 doses. Not regularly. Sulfur is a constitutional remedy, so you should give it rarely 1 dose once in 5 days for 3 to 4 doses. This will certainly help you in controlling your sore mouth. In children particularly, if the children is suffering with white deep coating, they cannot eat or they cannot swallow. In such a conditions, if the milk what they have consumed is vomited as a curd, then you can use borax. Even the corners of the lips will become white and red. The lip also will become red in this condition. Now the borax 30 will work wonderfully. Borax 30 can be used for all children below 10 years. Even elders also can use it, but elders, they can take 200 potency. That is also one remedy. And particularly infants below 6-month child is vomiting with curd, in curd shape. What the milk they take, it becomes sore in the stomach. They vomit curd. The milk what they have taken have become curd in the stomach. If they are vomiting, one more wonderful remedy is, that is Ethusa, Aethusa, Aethusa. This also in 30 potency, no problem. Children can also be given 1 or 2 doses daily for 3 days. This will help you a lot. Certainly, homeopathy is a wonderful remedy. Go to a doctor if he cannot give sufficient homeopathy medicines to you. Homeopathy doctor will certainly help you. Thank you very much.